The Federal Reserve just launched its CBDC infrastructure called Fed Now. Let me explain why this is a bad thing. Central banks around the world are examining whether they should create digital currencies. China is gradually rolling one out already. Japan may launch a digital yen by 2026, and India is moving ahead on this front. The Federal Reserve is also experimenting and studying the creation of a central bank digital currency, CBDC. These moves towards a CBDC may sound like making sure financial institutions are keeping up to date and ensuring currency stability amid cryptos that are crashing in value, along with the multi-billion-dollar collapse of crypto exchange FTX. Advocates say that CBDCs will help central banks better fight inflation because they'll have more direct control over the money supply, and that it will sharply speed up transaction payments between buyers and sellers in the marketplace, where settlements, particularly if they cross borders, can take days before a payment clears and you can access your money. They will also help fight money laundering and keep rogue nations from evading sanctions. But central bank digital money is ominous. The downside of governments being able to track digitally every single product or service you buy and sell is chilling. This is where China is headed. India has been trying to reassure skeptics by declaring that transactions would stay largely anonymous. But government bureaucracies won't be able to resist the temptation. They'll always have excuses like fighting crime or combating tax cheating. CBDCs would give officials a powerful tool of control and manipulation. It would be an irresistible drug for central banks trying to direct the economy. If they think the economy is overheating, they could freeze a certain percentage of your cash. Or if these unelected bureaucrats decide that things are too slow, they could punish people who they conclude are saving too much, spend it, or lose it. They could decree that if you have undesirable political views, you might not be able to access your money since traditional cash would be outlawed, and your digital cash would be in a government-approved digital wallet. Digital cash would even allow governments to fine-tune monetary policy with individualized interest rates. Then, there's the all-too-real challenge of security. Digital cash systems would be a hacker's delight. The treasure trove of data governments would have on every aspect of your life would be breached. As for speeding up payments, that can be achieved with improved electronic transfers. In truth, government digital cash is a formula for tyranny, if not outright tyranny itself.